Buckle up because the tech world is moving at warp speed, and we are breaking down the biggest moves of the day right now. First up, Oklo is seeing a massive surge in market confidence after announcing a major partnership with Nvidia. The nuclear energy company is teaming up with the AI giant and Los Alamos National Laboratory to revolutionize nuclear infrastructure. They are planning to harness Nvidia AI models to power next-generation AI factories, and we have all the details on why this collaboration is shaking up the energy sector.
Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-pack screen protector plus 3-pack camera lens protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Next, we are diving deep into the massive buzz surrounding Nvidia stock and its rapidly expanding ecosystem. Investors are paying close attention to the company's aggressive strategy of forging high-impact AI partnerships and building out critical infrastructure deals across the globe. From bullish market sentiment to the complex web of institutional and congressional trading, we are dissecting why Nvidia remains the focal point for every major player in the computing industry today. Think you know how to win big in the world of machine learning? We are highlighting an incredible breakthrough where a team dominated a Kaggle competition by utilizing generative AI-assisted coding. By leveraging Nvidia GPU acceleration and a fleet of LLM agents, they managed to run over 850 experiments to secure a first-place victory. We are showing you exactly how this workflow of human-in-the-loop AI is changing the game for data scientists and developers everywhere. Finally, we are going inside the massive Superstack collaboration between Nvidia and Google Cloud. The two tech titans have combined forces to create a turnkey AI factory that integrates Google's AI Hypercomputer with Nvidia's powerful Blackwell architecture. This is a total game changer for enterprises looking to scale their deployments without the headache of bespoke infrastructure. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and catch every update on the future of AI, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell for notifications. Ever imagined a future where the massive brainpower of artificial intelligence is fueled by the raw, relentless energy of a nuclear reactor? Well, that future just took a massive leap forward. Oklo shares are catching fire, surging 5% to hit $75.76 today after dropping the news that they are officially teaming up with tech titan Nvidia. This isn't just another run-of-the-mill partnership. It is a strategic collision between the world of nuclear innovation and the insatiable demand of AI. So, what is actually going on here? Oklo is busy building small modular reactors, basically the next generation of compact, efficient nuclear energy. And now they have tapped into the sheer computational muscle of Nvidia and the research pedigree of the Los Alamos National Laboratory. They are deploying Nvidia's advanced AI models to refine everything from material science and chemistry to the very infrastructure needed to build nuclear-powered AI factories. It is a fascinating cycle. We are using AI to help build the nuclear power plants that will eventually run even bigger, faster AI systems. It is efficient, it is futuristic, and it is clearly paying off for investors who have watched the stock climb 7% already this year. If you found this intersection of heavy-duty physics and high-tech software as mind-blowing as I do, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the energy revolution. At the end of the day, it turns out the secret to the future of computing might just be the atom itself. Is Nvidia becoming the undisputed power grid of the future, or are we just witnessing the ultimate tech gold rush? Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are diving deep into the massive buzz surrounding NVDA. First off, the social media chatter is absolutely electric. Investors are buzzing over Nvidia's strategic pivot toward agentic and physical AI, particularly their partnerships with Google. But it does not stop at software. Nvidia is actually looking at nuclear energy via Oklo to power their massive infrastructure. It is a bold move that signals they are not just building chips. They are building the entire ecosystem required to keep the AI revolution running. Now, let's talk charts. Technical analysts are spotting classic bull flags on the weekly timeframe, with some eyes locked on a target of $250. With the RTX 50 series fueling hardware demand, the sentiment is overwhelmingly bullish. However, let's keep our feet on the ground. Some skeptics are questioning if this growth is purely organic or just a result of massive stockpiling by hyperscalers. And speaking of reality checks, we need to look at the insider activity. In the last 6 months, insiders have pulled the trigger on 185 trades, every single one of them a sale. While that might sound alarming, compare that to Wall Street. 26 firms have issued buy ratings with 0 sell ratings, and a median price target sitting at $275. Institutional flow is just as split, with thousands of investors adding to their positions while others trim their exposure, creating a fascinating tug-of-war for price discovery. Even Congress is active here, showing that the debate over Nvidia's long-term dominance is happening at the highest levels. So, where does this leave you? Is this a long-term play on the backbone of the future or a volatile trade in a crowded room? If you want to stay ahead of the curve, head over to Quiver Quantitative to track these insider moves and financial trends yourself. Hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into the stocks moving the market. After all, in the race for AI supremacy, information is the only asset that never depreciates. Imagine winning a top-tier Kaggle competition not by spending months hand-coding, but by orchestrating an army of AI agents to do the heavy lifting for you. That is exactly what happened in March 2026, when 3 LLM agents churned out 600,000 lines of code and 850 experiments to secure a first-place victory. It's a massive wake-up call for the data science community. The speed of your iteration loop is now your biggest competitive advantage. Historically, we were held back by slow compute and slow coding, but with Nvidia's GPU acceleration tools like cuDF and cuML handling the math, and LLM agents handling the syntax, that bottleneck has officially been shattered. In this video, we're breaking down the workflow that turned an LLM-assisted approach into a gold medal performance. The core strategy. Follow the Kaggle Grandmaster's playbook: EDA, baseline building, feature engineering, and high-level model stacking, but supercharge every step with AI. Think of your LLM as a partner. You don't just ask for code, you give it context. By feeding your agent clear data structures or using tools like Claude Code to let the AI explore the data itself, you can generate diverse baselines, GBDTs, neural nets, you name it, at lightning speed. But here's the pro tip. For every single experiment, good or bad, save your out-of-fold and test predictions to disk. Why? Because the real magic happens when you start stacking. As you accumulate hundreds of results, you can prompt your LLMs to summarize what's working, perform hill climbing, or even use pseudo-labeling to transfer knowledge from a messy stack of models into a single, powerhouse solution. It's no longer about who has the best intuition. It's about who can manage the most efficient, automated exploration loop. If you want to replicate these results, start by exploring the Nvidia CUDAX ecosystem and leveling up your feature engineering skills. It's time to move faster than ever before. What do you think? Is this the end of the manual coder, or just a new kind of architect? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more cutting-edge AI workflows. Ever wonder how the giants of tech actually build the engines behind the AI revolution? It is not just about stacking GPUs in a room anymore. It is about building full-scale AI factories. Recently, Nvidia and Google Cloud doubled down on their decade-long partnership to do exactly that, creating a turnkey superstack that is shifting the landscape from experimental tinkering to industrial-grade deployment. Imagine having the power of Google's massive, globally distributed AI hypercomputer integrated directly with Nvidia's cutting-edge Blackwell architecture. This is a massive deal because it solves the biggest headache for enterprise IT leaders: the complexity of stitching together disparate hardware and software. By co-engineering the stack, they are essentially turning high-end AI infrastructure into a utility, almost like electricity for your business. Google has quietly been building one of the world's largest accelerated computing fleets, boasting well over 1 million Nvidia GPUs, and that scale is their secret weapon. Because their backbone is already GPU-centric, they can roll out new iterations like the upcoming Blackwell and Vera Rubin chips faster than anyone else. But here is the real kicker. This is not just about raw power. It is about portability. While Google has its own powerful TPUs, the partnership with Nvidia offers companies a way to build AI agents and large models without being locked into a single proprietary silo. It's about reducing risk and shortening the time it takes to get from a whiteboard idea to a functional, scalable product. For Google, this strategy is a total game changer. After playing second or third fiddle to other cloud giants for years, they are now offering a first-class, NVIDIA-powered AI factory that any enterprise can actually buy into. It is a powerful move that gives businesses the choice and the consistency they desperately need in a rapidly shifting market. If you are a decision-maker trying to navigate the AI chaos, this partnership might just be the blueprint you have been looking for. What do you think? Does this AI factory model signal the end of bespoke, custom-built infrastructure? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep up with the latest in tech strategy.